fit and fabulous. Sonali Bendre is yet again donning the guru's hat. Oh, I'm sorry, the cool guru's hat, is it?
Absolutely. The cool gurus, yes.
Cool इसलिए क्योंकि you're nice, you're not going to be too critical with them.
इसलिए क्योंकि हम उनसे प्यार करने वाले हैं, उनको उनके साथ enjoy करने वाले हैं. I think we are going to do the masti with them, and that's why cool.
You're a mom, so you know kids really well. I mean, you know their psychology. तो शायद इसीलिए जो entire show का concept है कि कोई rating card नहीं बनेगा कि कोई winner है या कोई loser है, इनके morale और boost हो जाते हैं. But somewhere don't you think healthy competition is also helps the kid to kind of be a little more passionate about it?
Well, आपने जैसे कहा healthy competition वो होता है जहाँ पे आप लोगों को judge ना करें. That's healthy competition, and we are not judging them here. What we are trying to do is, every time when you do a show, you're asked this question that, the kids and, the kind of pressure that's put on the kids and why you're part of it and why you're doing this. So here we are, trying something different. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of effort. We've actually put our money where the mouth is. And we are doing this show where there is no competition.
So Sonali, we've also heard, obviously you are shooting for Once Upon a Time Mumbai Part 2 also. And
show I'll start shooting for the movie. I do a role in that movie. It's a sequel to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. There are 2-3 things about that movie. One was Shobha auntie, really, really, really long relationship with my husband's family. 40 years of she's my mother-in-law's friend, and she called up, I can't say no to her. Secondly, Milan Luthria, the director. I've had a great working relationship with Milan, and we've done a film called Chori Chori before. It was a great experience working with him. Very good director, so happy to be on board. Great role, it's a different role. Doesn't mean that I might do another movie or I might not do another movie at all. But this role, this movie, yes, I'm doing it. I'm looking forward to it. After I finish with this show, I move on to that.
And also Akshay, you've always had great chemistry with Akshay in the past in your movies. They've been like, a lot of fun. So how is it, I'm sure when you go on set, I'm sure you met Akshay a lot of times now. Do you see any changes? I'm sure all the old time memories are going to come back as well, it's sort of...
Well, yes, I won't say that it'll be, one has always kept meeting him. Twinkle is a very dear friend, and so is Akshay. And so, yes, one has always been in touch, and we do meet up and stuff like that. So, but after a long time, I'm going to be working with him. Akshay has been doing really well for himself. He's always been an extremely talented person. And yes, it will be different in the sense that now I'll probably approach it differently. And I think that's what will be different about this time.
Sonali, so is it fair if I say Sridevi is doing a comeback with English for English? So can I call Once Upon a Time Part 2 your comeback?
Not really, because I don't think I'm like coming back into movies. It's a role, I'm doing it. Actor hai, actor hi rahenge aur kuch aata nahi hai karne ko. So I suppose that's what one does. I really don't know any other profession. But I don't think I could call it a comeback or anything of that sort.
Thank you so much. It's been great talking to you as usual. There you are, the gorgeous Sonali Bendre, Rudrani Chaturaju with cameraman Pramod, Zoom.
Hi, this is Megha. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.